Hi, my name's Helene, and I called Precision Sunday morning, and they were out Sunday afternoon, and they came back the very next day and installed 2 brand new garage doors and 2 new lift masters. Brendan did an awesome job. We had problems with closing the old garage doors, and Brendan took care of that to secure all of our items in our garage. I was very impressed with him, and I was very impressed with the service that I got from Precision. And I just want to thank them so much for all the hard work that they've done and to make things a little easier, us moving into our new home. Thank you, Precision.